Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of equations and inequalities. This is standard 7.11a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 36 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we're looking for a solution set for this inequality. 4 minus 5g is greater than 39. We're not looking for an answer because we don't have an equal sign. We've got an inequality. So what we're going to do is we are going to simplify this, trying to isolate this variable. We're going to treat it kind of like it's an equation just until the very end. So that means that we need to use our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Gives us these 6 order of operations here. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. When we're simplifying an expression, we go from the top down. So when we're trying to break apart this expression to isolate the variable, we actually move from the bottom up because that's the weakest. So I've got two things going here. I've got this is actually a positive 4. So there's no symbol there at the very beginning, so it's a positive 4. So that's really an addition. So we're going to need to get the opposite of that. And then we got a 5 times g, negative 5 times g. So we need the opposite of that. So we start with our addition first. So it's positive 4 minus 5 times g. And so we've got a positive 4. So we need to get a negative 4, subtract 4. So to keep this as a balanced expression, plus 4 minus 4, it's going to cancel itself out. And so I need to do a minus 4 or subtract 4 from the other side to keep it balanced. So I'm going to get a negative 5g. It's greater than 39 minus 4 is 35. All right, so 5 and 35, that's going to work. You see, we got a multiplication. We got negative 5 times g. So I need to divide by negative 5. So negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels itself out. It just makes it 1. 1 times any number is itself, so it's just g. So I need to divide this side by negative 5. But this is where we need to remember, this is not an equation. This is an inequality. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative, you need to flip the inequality symbol. So we're going to go from a greater than to a less than. I'll show you why in just a moment. And 35 divided by 5, well, it's going to be a negative, since 1 is a positive, 1 is a negative, and that's just 7. So g is less than negative 7. So let's take a look at our solution set here. So here is 0. Here's negative 7. And so our solution set is open, and it's just anything less than negative 7. So let's just verify here. Let's make sure this is 0. Always go for 0 if you can. Let's make sure that 0 doesn't work. So 4 minus 5g, I'm going to put a 0 in there. It's greater than 39. So 4 minus nothing, right? Because that's just 0. It's greater than 39. Yeah, 4 is definitely not greater than 39. So that doesn't work, which it wasn't supposed to. Let's verify that one of these less than negative 7. Let's go negative 10. That should work. So we've got 4 minus 5, and I got negative 10 here, greater than 39. So 4, and look, I've got a negative 5 times negative 10. Negative times negative makes a positive. 5 times 10 is 50. It's greater than 39. And so 4 plus 50 is 54, is definitely greater than 39. So yeah, that works. And so remember, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you need to flip. That's the trick here. Flip the inequality whenever you multiply or divide by negative. Other than that, it works just like simplifying an equation. So our answer is g is less than negative 7.